kitchen.
Katie brought this lovely little cozy chair because they only gave us 3 chairs for a room of 4 people. So you tell me what we're supposed to do with that. Then behind our little chair is where we keep all of our vacuum, Swiffer. This is like a grocery cart, which we are yet to use. Just lugging groceries around New York City. And then Katie, our DIY queen, made this little fringe thing to hide this business.
This is the dining table. It's pretty small and as you can see. So, and also it's really quite a bummer that they give you 3 chairs, but we already said that. You guys, right, loved in this nice fake plant from the side of the street. That's what we do here in New York City.
Love a good garbage find.
Katie also brought these 2 posters to kind of spice up. If you look up, we have fairy lights. So anytime we leave our door open and like someone walks by, they're always like, "Oh my God, your room is so cool. The lights on the top." Yeah. We have another little cart that we put all of our utensils in. We have like cute little straws and all of our
Because we recycle, bitch.
Oh, hello!
Here's our fridge. We have these adorable and seasonal little magnets. We have many frozen items. And we have quite a full fridge. We eat.
It's a little gross right now.
A lot of leftovers. Food from the UC. And then, so here is where we get into the kitchen. So we have this little baby sink. We have approximately 5 inches of counter space. So atop our fridge is where we keep our drying rack. This is crucial, you need this. And following the fridge is this larger cabinet with 3 shelves.
Kombucha leather.
Okay. You'll be doing a lot of fun projects in your room. We have a rice cooker, just random cheese grater, our mugs, some bowls and things like that. And then up here, we could probably do better with this cabinet. It's just some Tupperware and like cooking things. These carts are crucial. You need to get
This doesn't
at least
exist.
2.
We don't know what this is.
Oh yeah, this is contraband, but definitely recommend getting yourself a toaster oven. And then this is our cleaning cabinet. We definitely have way more than we need. We really went all out. Up above, we keep our wok and some other pots up there.
That's it for the kitchen. Woo! This is the
toilet.
You see we decorated it quite nicely with some poopery. We also have some like mats on the ground to kind of make it nicer. They're a little dirty, but that happens. This is probably a really essential part for any bathroom that you're sharing with 4 people. We have a 4-person like storage cart where we're each able to put all of our bathroom toiletries and whatnot. That's really helpful to just have that in there instead of just lugging it back and forth between your room and the bathroom. And then as for the shower, this is what it looks like. They also don't give you curtains or a little vinyl protector thing, so you can kind of find one for yourself, pick one out that you think is cute, whatever. And we keep a lot of our shampoo and body wash in the shower. That's basically it for the bathroom. It's actually quite nice when you put your own little spin on it.
What's up? I'm Nicole and this is my side of the room. So I was the first one to arrive. So I got to choose which side of the room I got. Also going to want to use all of your surfaces, so things like in between, you're going to be throwing like your portfolio and whatever else, as well as the top. We also have a mirror, which is kind of essential. You can say hello to yourself. And then we have a desk. Everyone gets a desk, and you also get a chair and 1 trash can for the entire room. So you might want to decide who gets the trash can and whatnot. The chair is also a little rocky, so you might want to prepare yourself for that. And yeah, that's that. Over here is my bed. This is the most important part of the room. Yes, so we have a mattress topper, we have a mattress pad, we have a lot of pillows, a huge comforter, and a fuzzy blanket. Those are your essentials. Okay. Another essential is prints that you like. Really just deck out all the walls. There's going to be a lot of holes, a lot of scraped up paint, and you're just going to have to deal with that and cover it up. So then we have a little surprise underneath all of the storage. So each room gets 2 sets of 2 drawers, and then you kind of just do whatever else you want. I got a plastic one and also 2 or 3 wicker baskets to put like underwear and socks and stuff. But everyone does it different, you'll see. And then we also have an air conditioner. Every room has an air conditioner, which is awesome and great in the summer and spring. We also have a lot of plants. This is our view. We are decked out for the fall time, preparing ourselves for spook season. And I think that's it. That's my room.
Hi, it's Katie, and this is my side of the room. So over here I decided to stack my drawers just like Avery did, because then it allows for more like space up here to put things. And then I have my closet here. I also have a safe on the top shelf because then you can just like protect your things in there. And then on top, this is very helpful for me because I keep my off-season clothes in these little IKEA things up here, and then I keep my towels up top. And then this is my desk area. I keep my makeup in here. And then just like skincare up here. I just decorated it pretty nicely. And you have like a cork board so you can put pictures back behind. Oh, and we also have this nice rack. This is very important for all of your tote bags, and like I keep my umbrella here too. And just like any bags, it's very important to have like an over the door hanger system. And then under my bed, I put these Sterilite drawer systems so that I have like 9 extra drawers of storage, which is very helpful. And you can also put like shoes on top. I had to have my bed raised like when I came in at first because it was way too low to like fit all this, but once I got my bed raised, it was so helpful. And then I also put my laundry right here, and then I just keep extra supplies like at the foot of my bed. And then this is my bed area. It's very comfortable. I got this comforter from Amazon, and my pillows are all from Target. And then I just had fun decorating my walls. So yeah, that's my side of the room.
Hello, I'm Avery. This is my part of the room. I also got here first like Nicole, so I chose this side, no particular reason. It's just the side that I sleep. So if you get here first, you'll get to do that. But I guess we can start off with my closet. I really recommend something like this because you're not going to have a lot of space, and it makes it a lot easier for all your winter coats. And when we open it up, I actually felt I had a lot more space than I anticipated. I put all my sweaters here and just like t-shirts and dresses to hang up, and then shoes on the bottom because I have a lot of shoes. And then I also have one of these over-the-door shoe thingies. I really recommend these. Okay, and I decided to like stack my drawers and my whatever this is cabinet next to each other to kind of have like more room for my toiletries, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, you get 2. Some rooms will have 3, but that's usually for a triple, and we're not a triple. But yeah, I put all my stuff on top of it. I also really recommend command strips because, as you can see, I hang a lot of stuff. And it's just really helpful and clears up space and gives you like more space to like actually use your desk or whatever. I don't know. And then my desk, I kind of don't use my desk for work. I just go on the ground. So I have like all my makeup and stuff. And then I use this top for just like random stuff and books, a light, blah, 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 vitamins, you know. So also more command hooks, a little sleeping mask I recommend if you like to
If your roommate goes to bed at 3 a.m.
Roommate goes to bed at 3 a.m. I also have one of these bedside things, which not a lot of people talk about when they make hauls, but this is honestly my lifesaver. I go on my laptop before bed, and it's nice to just be able to put it there. So, this is my bed. This is actually the first time it's been made since the first day. But yeah, it's a twin XL, so make sure you buy all your stuff as twin XL. It's really nice and cozy, especially if you put like a mattress topper on it. And then I have a bunch of posters, and I'm getting more. And then just some pictures of my friends, and some really sad plants, and a mug with all my dad's selfies on it. Real nice. As for underneath, since I'm from California, I had to bring like a huge suitcase, and that is where I put a lot of my art supplies that I don't know where else to put. I also recommend getting like boxes to put like maybe your snacks in, or like as I do, I put socks. And then this just holds like feminine products. This is kind of miscellaneous stuff. And then underwear. And I keep my laundry underneath. And that concludes my side of the room. Then we'll get into Sophie's.
We're not talking about it.
Later.
What's up? I'm Sophie. I'm Avery's roommate. I'll show you my side of the room. So I also have a wardrobe. So this is where I keep all my makeup. This is actually meant for the shower, and I brought this for our bathtub, but it did not really fit. So now I just use it for my makeup. And then here's my desk, which you've seen enough times already. I keep like all my hair stuff and jewelry up here. I got this lamp. So when you move in on move-in day, they'll have a little Bed Bath & Beyond pop-up shop. Do not buy this lamp because it melted. And then I have my photo albums, and I have my little Bratz doll, of course. And then I have these two over-the-door hooks that I just keep here for necklaces in my backpack. I have a plant. I have my little bedside hangy thing where I just keep my, like, you can keep a cup here. And then I have my dressers under my bed, and I kind of stick mine out so I can keep my, like, laptop and cup on here. We have a nice little rug. I have my posters. I keep my laundry down here. We don't need to see that. I just kind of throw it down there. What else can I talk
Your
about?
basil plant and try.
Oh yeah. And I have my little herb garden. I got this at the farmer's market in Union Square. They're not doing so well. I don't water them as much as I should. But a little herb garden because we like to cook a lot here, or I do at least. I'm the chef of the room for sure. These are crucial, our husbands we call them. We have matching ones. And these are great if you're just going to be sitting up in bed on your laptop. And I also recommend either putting your desk behind your bed or giving yourself a wall to sit up against. Because I don't know if you're like me, but I like to sit up in bed and eat and just hang out for many hours of the day. So that's my room. A beautiful day in New York, bitches!